If you have kids, chances are they are absolutely glued to this. It's Roblox. Or is it Roblox? I can't even say it properly. My kids are on Roblox 24/7, and I realised the other day that I know absolutely nothing about Roblox. And that feels really bad, because this thing spends more time with my kids than I do. The new thing I'm making your family happy is finding out exactly what is Roblox, how does it work, and where do you even get started for beginners. For this, we are getting a tutorial with the best Roblox expert. It's my 12-year-old daughter. There's a lot that we don't cover here, like how to download the app, or creating a Roblox account, or buying Robux, which is currency that you can spend in Roblox, like buying different costumes for your avatar character, or using money to skip levels. We have a total ban on in-app spending in my house. I track everything by just turning everything off. That was after the great Barbie app rinsing me for $20 without me knowing anything about its disaster a few years ago. Thanks, Barbie.
Oh.
But anyway, here's me getting schooled by my girl on the basics for getting started with Roblox. So I've logged in for the first time, and well, it's not the first time because I've done this years ago. And this is the home page.
Yeah.
What do I do now?
So, when you scroll down the home page, you'll see multiple games you can press on. So, for example, this random game, Guess the Emoji. All you have to do is press the green play button and it joins you to a server. Basically, different games are created by different people, and if you look, there are sometimes ages, so ages 9+, all ages, it gives you an age restriction.
And does it know your age?
Yes.
Because that's in your profile.
Yeah.
So what is Roblox? Because to me it looks like a bunch of free-looking games that are a bit like Minecraft.
Yeah, I guess so. You can get all types of different games. You can get cooking games, salon games, obby games.
So how do you find the games that you play?
So the ones you most recently played, you can find at the top.
Yeah.
And it should be under the subtitle continue, and you can find the games you've been playing. Or you can even favourite games by pressing the 3 dots there and then pressing the star. And if you scroll right to the bottom of your home page, you will find all the games you've favourited.
But how did you even find the games that you play in the first place? Do you just try them, or do people tell you about them?
I try multiple games, see what kind of things I like. Like I find I kind of like obby games.
What's obby? What's an obby game?
It's like parkour. You have to jump from place to place.
Right, so obby, that is short for obstacle.
Yeah. Or like horror games.
And then on your screen here it says friends 11. Are these real people that you know, or are these?
Well, you can friend people that you don't know.
Great.
Great.
But these friends, do you know them all?
The friends I have, I know these people.
Okay, so you've got obstacle games which are like jumping over things.
Yeah.
What else is there? Because I don't know where to start.
There's multiple games. It's literally like an app store. You have multiple games and they're all for free, and you can just press on them and play the game for as long as you want.
So it's free? Yes. All the games are free? Mm-hmm. Can I play a game with you?
Yes.
How do we do that?
If we friend one another, then we are able, for example, this thing, you can blur their name out. If they're in the middle of playing a game, so that means they're online. Yeah. And that means you can join their game. Oh. If they're playing a game, you can join them.
That's clever. Okay. So if I wanted, so first thing I've got to do is make friends with you.
Yeah. Great story team, people. And then there we go.
That's me?
Yeah.
All right, so now I've got a notification. And can anyone do that? Can anyone like literally type in your name? Mm. How could they see your name on Roblox? can they see your name when you're playing a game? Can they see your name and go, oh, I'm going to make friends with that person?
Yeah. So, for example, if I join a random game, find the keys, go for it, turn that down. These are all the people in the game.
Yeah.
So this is, you can look at their avatar.
Yeah.
This is, you can report them.
Yeah.
This is, you can block them.
So what happens if you click on look at avatar?
Well, you can just see what they're wearing.
Okay.
If you press the report button, you can fill in a report. So you can say, off-site links, personal question, cheating, exploiting, dating, scamming, bullying, inappropriate username or swearing.
What's dating? So that if they ask you out or something?
Yeah, something like that.
What did you think? I shouldn't have answered that question.
No, yeah, that's basically it.
Okay.
And then if you press that, I think
You just block them. It blocks them, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know that person?
No.
There must be a way of unblocking someone.
Well, I don't care. It's just some random person.
I know, but...
It was by accident. I didn't know. I was like pointing and went like, oh. Add friend.
Yeah.
So when you're in the same game as them,
Yeah.
if someone add friends you, it will pop up in the corner, and you can either accept or decline, or just not touch it at all, and it will appear in your notifications there.
And have people... Do you get add friend requests while you're playing?
Sometimes.
And you've only got 11 friends, so you must reject them all the time.
Yeah.
Is that annoying?
Well, like, sometimes, because, like, there's this one game, Tower of Hell, and it's basically you have to do an obby all the way up to the top, and there's a time limit.
Yeah.
So if people send you a friend request, it pops up in the corner.
Yeah.
So when you're pressing the jump button, you can always accidentally press accept or decline.
Oh.
But you can, if you press on someone, you can report, block, or unfriend.
Oh, that's brilliant. Sorry, how did you bring that up?
You tap on them,
Yeah.
tap on their name,
Yeah.
and 3 dots. And chat is you can chat to them, but it's all monitored. So like, you can't say like swear words or anything, or
Okay.
it'll tag it.
And you only get chat from your friends. So if you know all your friends,
Yeah.
it's okay if you get chat.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so you have made a friend request to me.
Yes.
And I can see that my little bell icon up
Yes.
here. So I'll click on the bell icon.
And you can either ignore it or accept it.
Okay, so I'll hit accept, and then I can hit chat.
There we go, straight away. It added your thing there, and it can see that you're online. Let's say I join a game.
So if I go hello here on chat, you get a notification.
I don't get a notification though, it's only in. So on homepage,
Yeah.
there's these bits at the bottom. So this is just looking at games. This is your profile.
Yeah.
This one you can see chats.
Yeah.
So you can see you said hello. I
Okay.
can say hi back.
Okay, brilliant. So should we play a game together then?
Yeah.
What was that pizza one that you did?
Oh yeah. Let me find it.
What kind of games are there? There's one where you can like make pizzas, you know, you can...
There's all sorts of games. Like I said, it's just like an app store. You can look up what sort of genre you want as well. So let's say I look up obbies. It'll come up with all these sort of obbies I can play.
Wow.
Or horror games. It'll come up with all the horror games there are. There are a lot of horror games.
What are horror games?
Well, they're just like creepy jump scares mostly.
Again, I don't know what that is. So you're playing the game and then something really horrible comes up.
Yeah, it's almost like you have to like, some games you just have to like get through the mansion without dying or something, I don't know.
Okay, that's cheery.
Mm.
All right, so find me a nice game. Work at a pizza place.
I misspelled it. Here we go.
And that's as easy. It's as easy as that. You
Yes.
just look up, click on the one you like, and hit play.
Yeah.
And then how do I join in with this?
So, you've accepted my friend request. All
Green.
you've got to do is tap on it and press join to join me.
Oh wow.
And then look, it pops up on mine. Great Story Team joined you.
Right.
With this game, this is just entirely one of the different games you can do. but you can choose what kind of job you want to do.
Okay. Now, it looks like Roblox is a lot easier to play on an iPad.
Yes.
Because I need my glasses. It's so small on my phone. I need to find my glasses.
That's why there's a lot of iPad kids. So there's this nickname people have for like kids to show they're really young, like iPad kids. It's hard to explain.
I've not heard that. So young players are called iPad kids.
Yeah, well, like if you're having beef with someone.
Why would you have beef with someone
I've had
on Roblox?
beef with a lot of people on
Really?
Roblox, yeah.
Because of the way you're playing?
I guess so, I don't know.
This is a whole underworld. Yeah.
Oh, it's hard to explain. It's like saying, oh, you're an iPad kid, you can't say anything. It's like showing that you're really young and stuff. Obviously, there are a lot of teenagers on this game.
Yeah.
And it sort of shows,
they
oh,
play
you're
on
like 7 years old and stuff.
But they play on their phone, so they're not iPad kids. So iPad kids are ones
Well,
that...
people can play on monitors, phones,
Yeah,
all sorts
yeah.
of things. It's just a little nickname.
Oh, you can play this on a computer?
Yeah. Joe plays it on his.
Oh, I didn't know that. So what do I choose? I'm stuck here. What do I choose? Delivery?
You can choose whatever one you want.
Well, can I work with you?
Yeah.
I like the idea of pizza boxer.
Cook.
Cook. So what have I got to do, chef? How do you know what to do when you go into a game? How do you know?
Well, you sort of have
Some
to stay on it
instructions.
for a bit.
So I'm using my finger to drag around so I can see myself.
Oh yeah, so to move around,
Yeah.
you have this left box here. And
Oh,
you
it's
have
like a joystick.
and then this is to look around. So to look around, you just have to...
Okay. So you touch the screen to look around and you use the joystick that's on the left-hand side. But even though you can't see the joystick, are all games like this?
Yeah, all games are like that pretty
So
much.
there's a pizza there. What do I do with that?
Where?
It was on the floor.
Oh, then you can't pick it up.
Okay.
There'll probably be cockroaches.
So
in
now
it
I'm
and stuff.
standing on the pizzas. Right, what does the right button do?
What right then? Oh, this is a jump button.
Oh yeah, there I am. Where are you? How do you know what to do?
Ah, because I've played this game.
Yeah, but are there instructions?
No, you sort of just have to get the hang of it.
Are all games like that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow, so there's not like, it doesn't tell you what to do,
Well,
you just
some
got to...
games, when you join, it'll give you a little bit of instructions. But otherwise, you just have to figure it out.
So I'm in the pizza making area.
Yes.
What do I, what do I do?
So, to make a pizza,
Yeah,
come over here.
yeah.
You touch the piece of dough inside
Oh yeah.
and bring it down to...
Oh, there's an arrow.
Oh yeah, then that'll be your instructions.
Oh,
Just
no.
tap it and then touch it on the thing.
Oh, I can't do this.
Swap.
Okay.
So you tap on the piece of dough and
Yeah.
bring it to there.
And then I just put stuff on it.
So you always have to put cheese on it,
Yeah.
and you can put either pepperoni or sausage on it. Do you see that bit there?
Oh, so I've got to copy that.
Yeah, and then you put it in the oven.
But I haven't copied it.
You have, there's pepperoni on it.
Oh, okay. Well, how do I put it in the oven?
So
I drag it like that.
you need to also like look around.
That's on fire.
Yeah, you can get on fire as well.
Ow. Yeah. Did you just put me in the oven?
Yeah. Here we go. Woo! And then you burn to a bacon crisp.
And then what?
And then you die.
Seriously?
Look, hold on. I have to be on fire for a bit. Hold on. No. Look, there we go. I burnt to a crisp and then I rejoined to like this. I just respawned.
Oh, I'm back again.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, I'm doing someone's job.
Yes.
Okay.
And you earn money, and there's houses in this game too. You can get different houses depending on how much money you have.
From working in the pizza restaurant?
Yeah. So that's how it works. You can buy lots of things to decorate your house with.
Right.
I named it.
Oh, look, the pizza's on fire.
Oh, yeah, you left it in the oven for too long.
So what do I do now?
Are you walking to the oven?
Yeah.
You can burn it to a crisp. So all you have to do in this situation, when it's on fire, there's a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
And you can just tap on the screen and it'll blow out the fire.
So there's a lot to do here, isn't there?
Yeah.
And this is just in one room.
Yeah.
There's a whole restaurant with this game.
Yes. There's lots of different jobs.
I am calling this Dad Delivers
Fail.
Success. It's a
How is it a
success.
success?
If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. It'd be lovely to hear from you. And thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here, over there, is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next after you finish playing your Roblox. Hey, you could do the ending now.
Can you please help my dad get 100,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Child labour.